Hi everyone, I'm Aditya Sridhar. I'm an alumnus of JBIMS and I have scored a 99.99 percentile in the MBA CET. आज के वीडियो में we are going to talk about the most important thing, which is placements and the placements of JBIMS for the batch of 2025. The placement report is not out yet, but the numbers are out on LinkedIn by the JBIMS Placement Committee. So we are going to talk about that and just look at the numbers because this is going to be really inspiring for you during your preparation for MBA CET. ये एक्चुअली इनविटेशन फॉर फाइनल प्लेसमेंट्स 2026 है फॉर द बैच ऑफ 2026. सो इट्स एन इनविटेशन फॉर रिक्रूटर्स टू रिक्रूट फ्रॉम JBIMS. बट आज के वीडियो में वी आर गोइंग टू बी फोकसिंग ऑन द रिक्रूटमेंट हाइलाइट्स ऑफ द बैच ऑफ 2025. लेट्स गेट इनटू इट. So the highest package that a student got was 55.6 lakhs per annum. The mean or the average package in the batch was 26.48 lakhs. अगर आप top 10% of the batch में आते हो तो आपको मिल सकता है package of 40 LPA. Just imagine if you're in the top 10% or top 15 students in the batch, आपको मिलेगा package of around 40 lakhs per annum. If you come in the top 45 to 50 people in the batch, top 30%, then you get a package of 34 lakhs per annum, which is absolutely crazy. अगर आप ऐसे पैकेजेस के साथ अपना करियर स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो just imagine where you will be 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line. The median package was 26.15 lakh. You can see that the mean and median काफी close है, which is always a good thing. कि ऐसा नहीं है कि some students are getting very high packages, but the others are getting very low packages. So I'm sure this will be really, really motivating. I'm sure the placement report भी बहुत जल्दी साइट पे आ जाएगा, where we can look at the companies that are recruiting, कितने लोग किस इंडस्ट्री में गए, किस प्रोफाइल में गए हैं. We will definitely make a video on that. So if you like this video and you want more information about MBA CT, then do like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any video on JBIMS or how to crack MBA CT.